Is your Honeywell CP-SPC controller not working properly? Our experts are ready to repair it. We repair power issues, communication failures, BACnet and Modbus errors, analog and digital I/O faults, relay failures, RS485 issues, and PCB failures. Our repair process includes expert diagnosis, component-level repair, testing, calibration, and a final quality inspection. Restore your Honeywell CP-SPC controller with our professional repair service. Contact us today.